Hey landscape lighting legends, wanted to give an update on what's going on with the reshoring effort. We're in mid-June. We're on pace to hit our goals, so that's an exciting thing. I really appreciate all the encouragement I've gotten from so many of you. This is a major undertaking. Our hope is that we're going to deliver a product that won't be affected by tariffs, won't be affected by the supply chain, and also allow you to showcase products that you could proudly say these are made in America. Now, we're not claiming anything yet. We have to go through the attorneys. There's all these protocols on what we call it, if it's made in America with international parts, what percentage. So there's huge fines if you do it wrong. We're never going to claim something made in America unless it legally meets all the requirements. But this product was the first one that was delivered in Danville. 290 of them showed up this Monday. These are made out of silica brass. They then got a nickel finish, a chrome finish, full cleaning process, and they're now going through the PVD final phase. This is what gives us this beautiful finish. This finish, according to all our studies, shows in terrible environments is going to give you that 15 to 25 years in the worst environments. So James, Turks and Caicos, or Damien in Puerto Rico, it's designed to hold up to those really rough environments. We actually are engineering the drivers. The drivers have gone through the first 50 batch. They're under testing. I think we're going to have a couple more adjustments before we do a full run on our electronics, which are being made in Ohio. The LED is an American LED. It's the best LED that I could find. It gives the most fidelity. It's human-centric lighting, really showcasing as close to the sun as we possibly can get without that blue spike. We're really big on not just reproducing our product line, but improving the product line. Other products we have coming out, we have 200 well lights. They're being made in California. So we're expecting those in about 2 weeks. I'm going to get some prototypes in and do some testing on them. This is going to be used with a really high-end aluminum product. A lot of aluminum gets a bad name because it's really not a high-end aluminum, but great aluminum with type 3 hard anodized and a PVD finish is going to give us a 20 to 25 year use. Really strong, really heavy duty, using the same light engine, using the same electronics as this luminaire I have here. We also have a number of other products, a replacement for the SL11. So we're kind of really coming through. We had the first 5 that I just got prototypes shown to me today. They're being mailed to my house as we speak. We're determining if we're going to use the electronics that we currently have in the SL11 or if we're looking to do an upgrade with an American-made electronic and upgraded LED. We also have a step light. We have 2 downlights, a bigger downlight and a smaller downlight that we'll see the different shrouds on those. So those are 5 or 6 lights coming out, and altogether I have 9 on the drawing board. So our goal is to deliver these products. My hope is to showcase a couple on July 4th, so stay tuned for that. We celebrate our country's birthday. We celebrate the rebirth of manufacturing in America, and we celebrate making the very best luminaires out there. So stay tuned. I'll continue to have updates. I have my round table. If you ever have any questions, want to see how things are going, I always talk about what our struggles are, what's going well, but truly appreciate all your support through this, and we're going to come through with some great products for you. And this is just step 1. Once we get the products developed, our goal is to make them competitive with our previous line, product price-wise, but higher quality, and that's done through mass production. Molds are a challenge in America. The expense of them are 10 times what they are overseas, but those are investments that we're looking at making. ETL is another certification we're going through, so that's going to be a process that we enter in at the beginning of July so that we can deliver some of these products to you. We are 100% committed to this, and we'll keep you posted on everything as we go through it.